Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is finally here. It is the day that I am going to be setting up my budget in my new Erin Condren Life Planner. So this is what I'm going to be using for budgeting and for everything else, honestly. But you guys are used to seeing this planner, which is my Happy Planner Spend Well Budget Edition. I'm no longer going to be using that currently. This could change, you know, by the end of the month, and I'm going to be using my Erin Condren Life Planner to set up the budget. So that is what we're going to be doing today. My husband and I have already had our budget meeting, and we've already, you know, figured out what our budget is going to be. So then after that is when I like to transfer everything over to the budget planner, because pen and paper is my preferred method for budgeting. So what I'm thinking, now this is going to be my first time setting up my budget in the Erin Condren Life Planner, but what I was thinking while I was waiting for my customized stickers to get here is that I would set up the budget and goals and such on this notes sheet, and then of course I would treat this as I have always treated this. So I'm going to put bill dues, paydays, all of that good stuff here. Now, I got some stickers custom made from Etsy shop iArtisans, which I will link down below. And this is my first time actually looking at these, but I put in a request for her to make these stickers for me, and we're gonna see what I actually received. I'm kind of nervous. Anytime I customize any stickers or anything like that, it makes me a little bit nervous about how they actually turned out. Now these were sent to me for free, so essentially if they're ugly, then it won't really have cost me anything. But I do have a coupon code for this shop. Again, the shop is iArtisans, and the coupon code is ShayM15, so you can use that. Oh, this is so cute! You guys, isn't this, okay, I customized this. This is so cute. I got 2 sheets, so cute. Oh my gosh. I picked the font and everything. These are super cute. Oh, these are bill due stickers. I didn't customize these. Maybe these were a freebie. Yeah, because I definitely didn't customize these because I don't have a credit card bill or a gas bill or a water bill or, I think that's gas. I don't have half of those bills, so I know I didn't customize that. That must be a freebie. Look how cute. I did customize this, so these are the stickers that I have been waiting for, and so I'm going to be using a lot of these. These are, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Stickers should not make me happy at, okay, did I order that? I thought these were the freebies. Maybe both of these were freebies. Yeah, because she said she knew that I wouldn't exactly love these, but that she was going to send them to me anyway. Yeah, and I don't, because it has too much going on. But I'm going to use them anyway. I mean, I don't love them, but I'm still going to use them. So we'll probably whip these out at a later date. So those are all of the stickers. I personally have been waiting for these stickers. So now that we have these, I'm going to use a lot of these for this. Now, coincidentally, she made me these stickers I think last year, and these are a part of the Shay's budget collection, and they actually match, not perfectly, but pretty well for the Erin Condren for the month of May. So therefore I'm going to be using these stickers here. Now let's go ahead and lay down some of these bill due stickers. So the first bill of the month is on the 3rd. That is today. So that's cable and internet. And these stickers are not really repositionable, so just be mindful of that when dealing with these stickers in an Erin Condren planner. The 4th is my student loan bill. The 5th is rent and water. Electricity is going to be due. I actually know the day for electricity, and that's going to be due on the 17th. Oh shoot. I didn't really want to use these stickers here, but that's okay because it's fine. I like that. I like the way they look. I just was going to use those elsewhere. So electricity, gym fees are due on the 17th of every month. Personal trainer, gym, car insurance, life insurance, renter insurance, student loans. So that's everything for bills. So I'll go in and write those amounts in momentarily. And then, let's take this clip off. Let's do paydays. So I kind of want to do, I don't know if I want to use these this month, do I? Or do I want to use these other payday stickers that I have? I kind of want to use these. So paydays. Here, the ones that we know for sure. So there's the paydays. And then let's go in and mark the bills that we have. 107.86. My student loans, 128. Rent and water, 570. I'm not too sure about this pen. Personal trainer is, I think this is gonna be 140 for this amount, and then I'm paying some more. It's on auto pay, so we'll just put auto there. Gym fees are $19.99. Electricity is going to be $91.92. My husband's student loans is going to be, I think we're putting a small additional payment this month. We are, so it's going to be $260.45. Oh, that's not the minimum payment for my student loans, guys. It's not the minimum payment anymore. Do I want to just lift up the sticker? I think we might just have to lift up this whole sticker and use a different one. Because trying to wipe that out is going to bother me. Yeah, we're just going to have to throw the whole sticker away. And we will use this sticker. So the minimum payment is actually $241.74 going forward. Because I'm married. Because I'm married now. So there's that. Back to my husband's student loans. We are putting a small additional payment to that. $260.45 is the minimum that, well, not the minimum, is what we're going to put on that. Renter insurance, the policy that I have found is, assuming that the price is still the same whenever we lock it in, is $156.29. Again, that would be bundling it with our car insurance, which is for some reason going to be cheaper this year. Life insurance for the both of us is $42.19. Our cell phone bill is going to be $70.75 because it has gone down, which we will talk about momentarily. So this is the monthly. I think I like it so far. I'll go ahead and mark this. This is a graduation, or do I want to find like some cute stickers to, or do I want to be simple? I'm sure I'll go in and put some cute stickers down. This is from 4 to 7. Put the date down. And this is at 10:30. I think I'm done with this pen though, that's for sure, because I don't really like it. Yeah. I'm not going to take it back because it's cute, but this pen, I'm over it. So I'm just going to put a little checklist over here to mark down all of the important things that we want to get done for the month financially. And I believe there's a goal sticker that I ordered. Did I order a goal sticker? Credit score? I don't know why I ordered that. Goals, there is a goals one. So I'll mark this as goals. Okay, so that will be a place for our monthly goals. And I think I like this so far. It doesn't have a lot going on for it, which is kind of what I like. It's pretty simple. Later I'll probably add in a few things here and there. Now we're going to move on over to this page, which I'm a little bit nervous about. So let's see what we're going to do. Okay, so I was thinking, there's a net. I'm trying to swat it out of here. You see it? That's annoying. It's probably been, I'm trying to smush it with something. Oh, I think I got it. Ew. Okay, so as for this page, I was thinking we could do something like maybe put our income here. Okay, I really wish I hadn't used that other orange one, but it's fine because I think I'm going to mark the last one with something else. That's cute, you guys. Crooked. From my standpoint, it looks crooked to me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's crooked. Cute, but crooked. Okay, so let's finish this up before the camera is no more. Okay, so what do I have in mind here? Okay, so I'm going to lay out the entire budget. So this is going to be for bills and expenses. No, this is going to be for bills and fixed expenses, and this is going to be for variable expenses. Did I get a sticker for? Oh, I won't need more. I have enough for next month because she sent 2 sheets. Now we're going to write out all of our bills, not with this Papermate Flare, but with this Papermate Inkjoy. So everything that equals this amount should be over here. Okay, so we are still low income, as in we don't have our regular income. So it's just gonna be that way until until we're finished, my husband's finished with his class and whatnot. And so crossing our fingers that will only be like a month longer, but it's just what it is right now. So we're still have our low income right now. Our bills, we're going to be spending $1,849.27 on all of these. Our expenses, we're going to be spending a minimum of $2,305, and then most of that is composed of our Mexico cruise and travel. And then our savings, we hope to save, if we bring in only $5,000, $845.73. And I say only because this is low income for us. So here I have all of our bills and what we budget for them, and then at the end of the month I'll go in and I'll put the actual. So I'll probably take a ruler and go down, but I'm not going to do that right now, I don't think. Or should we? Should we do that now? Sure, let's do it right now. Okay, and so we'll just do the actuals at the end of the month. Those are our May goals. So I really enjoy setting up the budget in this planner. I think I'll do much better for June. Maybe everything won't be as crooked. Let's see what color we're working with. Oh, that's a terrible color. But maybe everything won't be so crooked and all of that, and everything will kind of flow and look really nice. But for the most part, I enjoyed setting up the budget in this particular planner, and I hope that you guys did too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.